Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3 channel. Is your WhatsApp on iPhone constantly showing the message connecting and not delivering or receiving messages? Don't worry, this is a common issue and can be fixed with a few simple steps. Here's how you can fix the problem step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Open Safari or any browser to test if other apps or websites are working. If they're not, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that helps. Step 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down to open the control center. Enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then disable it again. Step 3. Force close and reopen WhatsApp. Swipe up from the bottom, find WhatsApp and swipe it away. Then, reopen the app. Step 4. Turn off low power mode. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Battery, and make sure low power mode is turned off. Step 5. Update WhatsApp. Go to the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if a newer version is available. Step 6. Restart your iPhone. Hold the power button, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step 7. Check for iOS updates. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap General, then click Software Update, and install any available updates. Step 8. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General, then tap Background App, refresh. Find the WhatsApp app, make sure the toggle is enabled. The goal is so that when the application is not used, the WhatsApp application data remains active so that it can still receive messages. After following these steps, WhatsApp should reconnect properly and the connecting message should disappear. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.